Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Creative Hands by Shay. Today I will be sharing with you how to create this beautiful beginner flower here. So the thread that I used to create this flower is the Aunt Lydia's Fusion 3 thread, and the hook that I used was the 2.0 millimeter crochet hook. I will still be using this hook to create the flower that I will be showing you how to. And you're going to need your scissors and also your crochet needle. So the one that I will be using today though is the Aunt Lydia's Classic 10 thread. So this one is smaller, so technically the flower will be smaller than this one that I previously made. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified each time I post a video. And to my viewers and subscribers, thanks so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Let's jump in the video, guys. So to begin, we'll first make a magic ring. So wrap your yarn around your finger. Make sure that the yarn or the thread is crossing the next thread here. Insert your hook, and then you're going to pull from here. And then you have your circle. Then you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the last chain that you just made will be count as a filler or a space. So the 3 will be your double crochet. So this first one here count as 1 double crochet. So the total that you should have in your ring is 12. So we're going to make 11 more double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through the next 2. Chain 1, make sure that you have your space, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through the next 2. Chain 1, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up your loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through the next 2. So continue doing the same sequence and I'll see you at the end. Make sure that you're having your chain 1 space and you have a total of 12 double crochets and also a total of 12 chain 1 space. So now I am at the end of my 12 double crochet and I'm just going to pull the string here. And I'm going to leave a little hole. I'm just going to put it in the back. And you're going to count 1, 2, and 3. And in the top here, this first double crochet, you're going to make a slip stitch. After you make that slip stitch, you're going to chain 1. And in the chain 1 space, you're going to go inside chain 1 space here. And you're going to make single crochet. So 1, 2, down here. And you're going to go in here. So directly in that stitch, the hole, you're going to make the third one. And then you're going to go over to the next space and you're going to make 2 more. So total in 5. So that's 1. And then 1 here in this whole space. You're going to insert your needle there, and you're going to pull up your loop and make your last one, I should say, sorry. And then you're going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in that same old space here, you're going to insert your needle and you're going to make a slip stitch. After you make your slip stitch, you're going to go over in the next space. So insert your hook in that space and you're going to make single crochet again. So you're going to make 3 in this part here. So that's 1, 2, and then in this loop here, you're going to make your last one through that loop. So for that space. Then you're going to go over to the next space and you're going to make your last 2. So remember, we're making 5 single crochets. So 1, and the last one should be in the loop. So in this stitch here where you're seeing the hole, you're going to make your last one in that one. And then you're going to chain up 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And into that same hole here, you're going to insert your hook and make a slip stitch. Sorry, my word got twist. Okay, so you're making your slip stitch right there. And then move over to the next side and make your 3 single crochets. 1, 2. Remember, we're making the last one in this space into one of the stitches. So in this last stitch there, this one, so that's 3, and then go over to the next side and make 2 more. 1, and into that stitch hole, you're gonna make your last one. So that's total in 5. And then chain up 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you're gonna go back into that same space and insert your hook there and make your slip stitch. Because continue doing the same sequence. You should have a total of 6 loops, and I'll see you at the end. So now I am at the end and I have my 6 loops. So you're gonna slip stitch into these stitches here. It's 1 slip stitch and 2 slip stitch and 3. So now that you reach to your 3rd, you're gonna yarn over and you're gonna start doing your double crochet. So you're gonna be doing 10 double crochet on this side of the loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through the next 2. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through next 2. So you're just basically doing your double crochets again, but you're doing them in a cluster now. So once you get to your 10, you're going to chain 3, and then you're going to make another set of 10 on the other side of the loop. Okay, so let me see how much I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's my first 10. And I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to yarn over and make another set of 10 double crochets. So I hope that you can see that clearly. Over, insert your hook. So make your 10 and I'll see you at the end of this petal here. So now I have finished my petal, and you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and in that third one you're going to make a slip stitch. And then you're going to start again making double crochets on the next loop here. So remember, you're doing 10 on one side. Once you reach your 10, then you will chain 3 and then do another set of 10 double crochets on the other side of the loop. So I will continue doing my double crochets until I reach my 10, and I'll be back with you. So now I have reached to my 10 on this side, and I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to continue making double crochets on the next side here. So that's my first one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you're just going to pull down, and then you're going to count 1, 2, and 3, and this last one here is number 3. So 1, 2, 3, insert your hook and make your slip stitch, and then you're going to begin the next one. So continue this same sequence, and I'll meet you at the end of making this flower. So now I am at my last petal here, and what you're going to do is you're going to slip stitch in this one here. So I hope you can see that properly. So you're going to insert your hook in here, and pull through. So you're just going to cut the excess off. And then pull that through and use your needle and you're just going to go right down in this part here. And you're just going to pull it through so it's neat. And you can just go ahead and weave in your tail, so you can put it anywhere you would like. My needle is a little bit big, so I would have to change it. So just go intertwining in the back ridges of here to hide your tail, and you should be good. So I'll go ahead and do mine. I'll change my needle and I'll meet back with you. So guys, this is the end of our flower here. It's looking so cute. So you can use this to either make like a table runner, or you can use this on a dress or blouse, anything that you want to put it on. You can attach, you can make multiples of these and attach them together to make your table runner, and that will look beautiful as ever. So you can see the difference in the sizing on these. So you see that I used the classic 10 to make this one, which is a smaller thread, and I used the Fusion 3, which is a bigger thread, to make this one. So I actually got a bigger flower. So if you love this tutorial, guys, please do remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified each time I post a video. Thanks again for watching, guys. Until next time, bye.